Welcome back to Future Phone Flash. Today, we're excited to share news about the upcoming Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. Leaked images and specs are giving us a closer look. Let's dive in. Leaked images and design details. Leaked images of the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 reveal some key design changes. The real device has a less noticeable crease, sharper edges, and a different top speaker placement compared to the dummy unit. The inner screen's bezels are also slightly different. A photo showing the Fold 6 partially unfolded and another image of the front reveal it's only slightly wider, with the squared edges creating an illusion of greater width. The leaker believes these images are of a dummy unit, as only select Samsung employees have access to the real device. Certification details. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6, along with the Flip 6, Watch 7, and Watch Ultra, has received NBT certification. Galaxy Z Fold 6, model SAMF 956B/DS, GSM, WCDMA, LTE, and NR connectivity. Galaxy Z Flip 6, model SAMF 741B, similar connectivity. Galaxy Watch 7, model SML315F, and Galaxy Watch Ultra, model SML75F. WCDMA and LTE. Chapter 3. Benchmark Scores and Performance. A Geekbench listing for the US version of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 reveals impressive specs. Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip, Android 14, 12 GB of RAM. The new scores are higher than previous benchmarks. Single core, 2,257. Multi-core, 6,193. For comparison, the Galaxy Z Fold 5 averages. Single core, 1,940. Multi-core, 5,119. These scores even surpass the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra's average. Single core, 2,160. Multi-core, 6,746. Outro. Thanks for watching Future Phone Flash. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech updates. Stay tech savvy, and we'll see you in the next video. Peace out.